I'm here to talk about success. Vision. You see, if you don't have a vision of goal or where you go anywhere. I mean, as you know, I was born in 1947 in the Second World War, so I was very humbled under my vision. And I didn't really like Austria when I couldn't see myself becoming a farmer or a worker in a factory or anything. Wanted me to stay there and have a normal life. Vision was totally different. I felt that something unique for something big. Then one day I went to school and they showed a documentary about the huge skyscrapers, 6-lane freeways and all of this. That's where I want to be. I don't want to be around here with these little farm. To be in America one day. After school I walked by a store in Graz. Then I saw a magazine. There's a bodybuilding magazine that had Reg Park was then and I saw him on the big screen as Hercules. Myself, well, this is the blueprint for my life. To become a bodybuilding champion, just to movies just like Reg Park and be rich and famous just like Reg Park. Do you know how great? Knew where I was going? Imagine the majority of people don't knew where I was going, that I'm going to become this bodybuilding champion. Just a question of how do you do it? I was so relieved, because when you have everything becomes easy, so people always pumping iron days out so hard, 5 hours a day, 6 hours a day, and I told people all the time, I said, rooting for gold. In front of me is the Mr. Universe title. To accomplishing that core, to make this into reality. You